get the books, that they have the books available. But we have to also go beyond that and make them available at, in the global north and in other countries in the global south that do African studies. I was at the African Studies Association last year. They had a meeting in the States, and I was very proud to see that the African Books Collective, for example, had the books of the AHP fellows, and they were being seen, and they were being read, and they were being bought. So I think the general overview, as I said, is we have a very large community now. We have over 400 fellows, over 100 reviewers in the 5 countries. So I think, for me, it's very important to bring people together. Because, I think that's our fellows and advisors, as I said before, they really want to know what each other are doing. They want to be in touch. They want to have this type of connection. And I think this is very important to have here representatives from all the countries, giving their specific perspectives on issues that are common to everybody or not common, and they are to get the perspective of other people. What I expect out of it is a lot of excitement and a lot of new work for us. So ideas of how we can improve things for the program and how we can move forward after the AHP program officially ends in 3 years. And also how to address some issues that the local scholars and the local departments and the local universities are facing, and how we can help move forward, and also look at the positive things that are coming out of it and try to see how we can use those more broadly.